Japan's winter is legendary, and nowhere is it more magical than Hokkaido. Each year, this northern island transforms into a snowy wonderland, blanketed in some of the world's finest powder snow, known as Japao. Skiers and snowboarders from around the globe flock here for the light, dry snow that feels like floating on clouds. Hokkaido's unique geography and climate are the secret. Cold Siberian air sweeps over the Sea of Japan, picking up moisture before dumping meters of snow on the island. Sapporo, Hokkaido's capital, celebrates this bounty with the famous Snow Festival, featuring massive ice and snow sculptures. Resorts like Niseko and Furano are world-renowned for their deep powder and exhilarating runs. But winter in Hokkaido isn't just for thrill-seekers. Imagine soaking in an outdoor onsen, steam rising as snowflakes fall around you, or savoring a steaming bowl of ramen or fresh seafood after a day in the cold. The beauty and serenity of Hokkaido's winter draws visitors, but it also shapes daily life. Locals adapt to the challenges: constant snow removal, clearing roofs, and navigating icy roads. Despite the hardships, there's a deep appreciation for the snow, woven into the culture and celebrated in festivals and daily routines. Hokkaido's relationship with winter is unique. It's both a challenge and a source of pride. The snow defines the landscape, the lifestyle, and the spirit of the people. Visiting Hokkaido in winter means witnessing nature's power and beauty up close. It's a place where the cold is embraced, not endured. The snow isn't just weather, it's a way of life. Whether you're seeking adventure or tranquility, Hokkaido's winter offers something unforgettable. Here, the season is more than a backdrop. It's the main event. Experience the wonder, the challenge, and the joy of Japan's snowy paradise. Hokkaido awaits, ready to show you the true magic of winter. Why are some Japanese winters snowier than others? The answer starts far away, in the Pacific Ocean. The El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO, is a climate cycle with two phases: El Niño and La Niña. La Niña, the cold phase, happens when Pacific waters near the equator cool more than usual. This cooling strengthens trade winds, pushing warm water west toward Asia and Australia. The result? More heat and moisture in the western Pacific, and a shift in global weather patterns. For Japan, La Niña means the atmosphere sets up for a colder, snowier winter. The Pacific's changes influence high and low pressure systems, steering cold air south from Siberia. During La Niña, these patterns make it easier for frigid air to reach Japan. This is the first step toward the epic snowfalls that define a La Niña winter. So, a small change in ocean temperature can trigger a chain reaction, one that blankets Japan in snow. Understanding La Niña is key to predicting Japan's most dramatic winters. It's a global dance, with Japan's snow as the grand finale. How does La Niña actually deliver more snow to Japan? It's all about atmospheric teamwork. Warmer waters near Southeast Asia heat the air, creating low pressure there and high pressure over East Asia. This seesaw shifts the jet stream, letting cold Siberian air pour south toward Japan. The result? Colder, snowier winters, as frigid air that would normally stay north now sweeps across the country. But cold air alone isn't enough. You need moisture. As this dry, icy air crosses the relatively warm Sea of Japan, it soaks up water vapor like a sponge. By the time it reaches Japan's coast, it's loaded with moisture. The mountains force this air to rise, cooling it rapidly. Cold air can't hold much moisture, so it dumps it as snow, sometimes in staggering amounts. This process, called orographic lift, is why Japan's west coast and Hokkaido get buried each winter. La Niña sets the stage, but Japan's geography brings the drama. The combination of cold, Siberian air, warm sea, and towering mountains creates a perfect recipe for epic snowfall. That's why, during La Niña years, Japan's snow is deeper, drier, and more abundant than almost anywhere else. It's a natural spectacle, one that draws winter lovers from around the world. La Niña's snowy gift is Japan's winter wonder. Behind every snowy Japanese winter is the Siberian High, a vast, powerful dome of cold air over Siberia. In winter, Siberia's landmass chills rapidly, creating dense, sinking air and high pressure. This engine drives the winter monsoon, sending icy winds across the Sea of Japan. During La Niña, the Siberian High grows even stronger, pushing more frigid air toward Japan. When this cold air meets the warmer sea, the temperature clash creates instability. Moisture is sucked up, forming long bands of snow clouds, cloud streets, over the sea. These clouds unleash heavy snow on Hokkaido and Honshu's west coasts, especially where mountains force the air to rise. Some mountain villages see snow pile up meters deep, transforming daily life. The Siberian High is the silent force behind Japan's legendary snow. It's a reminder of how distant weather systems shape local wonders. Hokkaido and Honshu both get buried in snow, but the type and impact are different. Hokkaido, closer to Siberia, gets colder, drier air, resulting in the world-famous powder snow, light and fluffy. Honshu's air travels farther over the sea, picking up more moisture and warmth, so its snow is heavier and wetter. Powder in Hokkaido is a dream for skiers. Honshu's dense snow is tougher to clear and can cause more damage. Geography matters too. Hokkaido's open terrain and mountains catch snow efficiently, while Honshu's towering Alps squeeze out even more moisture. Some Honshu mountain areas see deeper snow than Hokkaido, though it's heavier. These differences shape everything from winter sports to daily chores. In Hokkaido, snow is easier to manage. In Honshu, it's a constant battle. Each region offers a unique winter, one defined by powder, the other by sheer depth. Whether you crave light snow or epic drifts, Japan's islands deliver two distinct snowy worlds. The variety is part of what makes Japanese winter so special. This winter, meteorologists are sounding the alarm. A strong La Niña is brewing. Ocean temperatures are dropping, and models predict a colder, snowier season for Japan. The classic La Niña setup, strengthened Siberian High, southerly jet stream, means heavy sea-effect snow is likely. Western Japan, especially Hokkaido and Honshu's Sea of Japan side, could see record-breaking snowfall. Communities are preparing stocking supplies, readying snow removal gear, and reinforcing buildings. For Hokkaido, it's a skier's dream. Resorts are gearing up for a flood of visitors. But with epic snow comes extra challenges, keeping lifts running, roads open, and guests safe. In Honshu, the stakes are higher. Heavy, wet snow can isolate villages, disrupt trains, and strain resources. Local governments are reviewing emergency plans and urging vigilance. While the snow brings beauty and business, it also demands respect and preparation. This winter could be one for the record books, both for its wonder and its challenges. With deep snow comes a hidden danger: avalanches. When heavy snow piles up quickly, weak layers can form beneath, setting the stage for a sudden, destructive slide. Avalanches can be triggered by weather, temperature swings, or even a single skier. In Japan's backcountry, the risk is real. Beyond resort boundaries, you're on your own. Resorts use patrols and controlled explosions to keep slopes safe, but the backcountry requires knowledge and caution. Understanding the snowpack, its layers and weaknesses, is essential. Experts dig snow pits and issue daily avalanche forecasts. These are must-reads for anyone venturing off-piste. For most visitors, the safest choice is to stay within marked resort areas. Never duck ropes or ignore warning signs. Hidden dangers lurk beneath the surface. If you do go backcountry, always hire a certified local guide and carry avalanche safety gear, transceiver, shovel, and probe. Safety is non-negotiable. The thrill of fresh powder is never worth the risk. Respect the mountain, know the risks, and make smart choices. That way, you can enjoy Japan's snow without putting yourself or others in danger. Planning a trip to Japan's snow country? Preparation is key. Dress in layers, thermal base, insulating mid-layer, and waterproof outer shell. Warm, waterproof boots with good grip are a must. Sidewalks can be treacherous. Check transport updates. Heavy snow can delay, even the Shinkansen. If driving, use winter tires and four-wheel drive. Roads may close suddenly. Public transport is often safer and less stressful in snowy regions. Watch for snow falling from roofs and beware of black ice. Move carefully. Travel insurance is essential, especially for winter sports and weather disruptions. Make sure your policy covers skiing, snowboarding, and potential delays. Keep emergency contacts handy, including your embassy or consulate. By taking these precautions, you'll avoid most problems and focus on the fun. Japan's winter is stunning, but it demands respect and preparation. Stay safe, stay warm, and enjoy the adventure. Japan's snowy season is pure magic, if you embrace it wisely. From Hokkaido's powder to Honshu's snow villages, the landscape is transformed. Dive into the culture, visit snow festivals, soak in an onsen, or savor a steaming bowl of ramen. Try winter activities, skiing, snowshoeing, or simply wandering through a silent, snow-laden forest. Respect the weather and heed local advice. Safety comes first. Dress warmly, follow signs, and don't take unnecessary risks. The snow is both a playground and a challenge. Treat it with care. Whether you're carving turns, building snowmen, or marveling at ice sculptures, Japan's winter offers memories to last a lifetime. Pack your warmest clothes and your sense of adventure. Experience the wonder, the warmth, and the thrill of a Japanese winter. This is a season you'll never forget.